Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the version of AMD graphic driver you are launching is not compatible. So how can you fix that? So first of all, just search here device manager, and once you open the device manager, that will take you to directly device manager. So from here, just click on the display adapters, double click on it, and you will see the list of graphic cards or graphic drivers that you have. Just right click on it and click on update driver, and just click on search automatically, and it will basically update the driver. Otherwise, what you can do is just click on it and click on properties and go inside drivers and just click on rollback driver. Once you click on rollback driver, it will do is basically, if the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. So you can just uninstall the current driver, and it will roll you back to the previous driver. You can just roll back if you want. If this still creates a problem for you, so what you can do is just go to the AMD official website. You can see amd.com support download drivers. You can just directly search this as well, and you will be redirected to this page. So scroll down, and from here just select your like graphics and select your product family. Let's say Radeon RX, and select the series 5000, and it will give you a list AMD Ryzen like Radeon whatever you have, and just click on submit. And once you click on submit, it will take you to this one, like for what you want to download, Windows 11, Windows 10. So just select the Windows. Let's say I want to go with Windows 11, and just click on download and make sure to install it from here. So that's the simple and easy process of how you can fix that.